This Saturday will be a day to remember.
The day we remember after 120 years, Haynes is here because of our customers.
Saturday, we will save you so much more money on new furniture, mattresses, and flooring in one day you'll never forget.
Prices that will cause even the most merciless value shoppers to blush.
And refurnish your home, the best place on earth.
Free financing for all, free toys for the kids.
Plus free express delivery, free setup.
And free installation. Then, remember to pick from the big tree for even more.
Free gift cards up to $1,000.
Or even your entire purchase free. Free 75-inch TVs, Roombas, Instant Pots, Apple Watches, and iPads.
A day to remember the neediest. Haynes will donate $10,000 of furniture.
120 years of lower prices and more value for your money.
One day to remember
9 a.m. Saturday.
at Haynes.